Right. Ah, there we go. Denver's first Schindler ports. I rode these a long time ago, back when they were regular elevators. Now they're different. Yeah, I got the old innovation fixtures off of these actually a few years ago. Anyways, I gotta actually go back down. There we go. There's still nothing up here. It's the same exactly as it was years ago when I came up here. Anyways, though, after I head back down, I gotta get out of here. So. Denver's first Schindler ports. Pretty cool. These were actually installed quite a few years ago now. At least, oh god, what is it? Like 3 years ago now? Sorry.
Sorry.
That's okay.